Hi everyone! Welcome to my channel. My name is Frankiefrancy. I decided to follow a trend that has been going on in the past weeks, and the trend is I tried following whatsoever makeup tutorial. I decided to do one as well, and my YouTuber is, or actually influencer, entrepreneur, Instagrammer is HUDA BEAUTY. I decided to follow her top requested my signature look. So if you like it, keep on watching. As the first thing, she starts with her eyebrows done. So let's do it! Let's watch her video.
I've already applied my brows because that does take a little bit of time. Good brows take time and patience, and I went ahead and did that.
Okay, so we just saw that she prefers applying eyeshadow before foundation, which is okay with me. I love that. I do that as well. And she doesn't prime her eyes. She's using sandalwood and henna, and she's blending them together this way. Top of the excess and into the crease. Let's get the crease done. She also, as we said, washes everything all over. I really do you like her products? I really do like her products. They're perfectly, her eyeshadows are really blendable, buttery, the color, the payoff is fantastic. I have not tried her foundation. So on her lid, she's actually applying Angelic and Moon Dust. And she's using a MAC 239. I do have it at the moment, but as I filmed another tutorial just a few moments ago, a few hours ago, it's actually green, so I think I will not use this. I'm gonna go in with the Sigma brush E55, as she said, so Moon Dust and Angelic. And let's wash it on our lid, patting motions as she says. She's shaping the lid, as she says. Oh, actually, it's pretty nice. I never wear these two together. So now she's going to apply eyeliner. She uses Christian Louboutin. I don't have that, but I do have MAC Fluideline in Blacktrack. Before she lines the eye, and then she goes out with the wing. She wears a lot of eyeliner, so this is gonna be really thick. So I lined them, now let's do the wing. So she applies actually the glue on top of her lashes, while I usually put it on my hand. Okay, I already messed up. Okay, now that's why I never do that. A huge amount of glue came from the tube and went on the lash. That's why I never do that. I usually put glue on my hand and then like take the falsies and rib the band on the glue. Anyway, let's see. I like these lashes, by the way. These are Samantha 7. I think I already said that, but I'm gonna say it again. So falsies on. I open my mouth. She's so classy when she does it. I'm like, oh. Whoa. She applies oil to her face because she has very dry skin, and then she's going to apply her foundation, the Huda Beauty Faux Foundation. I don't own that, and I'm not gonna buy oil because what I own is the Kat Von D foundation, which is full coverage, and as it's too dense, I'm going to mix it with a little bit of CC cream from Chanel and a little bit of Marc Jacobs Remarkable foundation. So mixing these three together should do what she's doing. She actually uses a flat foundation brush, you know, the ones that are like this but smaller and more dense, with smaller bristles and more dense. I don't have that with me at the moment, so I'm gonna use a stippling brush. She's going to apply concealer underneath the eyes to apply a little bit of highlight. I'm gonna use a Kat Von D Lock-It Concealer. This is M17 Warm. Does anyone of you, if you have the full filter foundation from Huda Beauty, can you write in the comments below if you like it, if you don't, because I really want to test it. It looks amazing. The only thing is that's stopping me from buying it, it's that it's really full coverage, and I don't know if I want that, because, well, I do, oh sorry, she was not doing this. I like full coverage, but not for everyday looks. I use full coverage when I have like an evening date, or if I have an event, okay, I would go for full coverage. But during the day, But I mean, I've seen it on people's faces and it was like from real, it was like, whoa, that looks really pretty. Also the Fenty Beauty one, by the way. Okay, so she's using some drops from Colourpop. That's what they look. Okay, and she does some contouring. I don't have that product, and I'm gonna use the Fenty Beauty as I was saying before. So it's always cream anyway. Let's see. Yeah. Okay, so I'm contouring. She applies it on a palette, and then with the brush, she then applies it on her cheek. Well, I'm not gonna do that because this is a stick contouring, so I'm gonna do that directly on the brush like this and apply it on my cheek. So I did not set, as she did not set the foundation, so you can still work with cream products. I'm going really heavy-handed as she's doing actually. So she sets her under eye with a lighter powder, and I'm gonna use this Lyric from the Shade and Light, which is this one, Shade and Light Kat Von D palette, and I'm gonna set it just a little. So now she's actually highlighting her face. I don't own her highlighter palette, but I do own the Anastasia Beverly Hills one, the Sweet Glow. She's using a darker shade to highlight her cheekbones, and then a lighter shade on top. I think I'm gonna use Butterscotch and Toffee here on the cheeks, generously. Okay. Whoa. Okay, that's a lot. And on top of that, she's using another color which is a little bit more pinkish. That's what I said, I'm gonna use Toffee on top. So now she's using another shade on top of her eyelid that we used before, so I'm going to use Marshmallow. She uses a lot of highlighter, but anyway, this is fun. I don't have any bronzer, but we can use the contouring palette. Apply these two shades, which I like. Okay, and she's contouring. Ooh, that's a lot. So she's using a blush from Marc Jacobs, which I don't own. Actually, I'm gonna use again the BH Cosmetics palette, and I'm gonna use this blush over here, mixed with the top one. I think they pretty much match what she's using. On the nose, on the cheek, everywhere. Okay, let's do it. Okay, so she's applying with a flat brush Sandalwood. On the other eye. Henna with a pencil brush, a more like soft pencil brush, and she's just doing it on the outer corner of the eye. And she applies mascara on her bottom lashes and on top of as well to blend the two together. Oh, I have that. Trendsetter lip contour. So I don't own the lipsticks that she's using. Okay, so something that looks kind of similar is this Echo Park from Colourpop. Sorry. So this Echo Park from Colourpop. Let's see how Hers is actually more skin. So on top of it, I would actually apply the white of the lip palette because I think it would like tone it down. It's still not doing the job. Let's apply by right here with our finger in the middle. Okay, so she's contouring now her nose. She's using the same fluffy brush that we used at the beginning for our crease, and we're gonna deep it in Suede and Sandalwood and Suede. Yeah. And she's contouring her nose. Okay, here. Okay, here. And here. Wait, lady. I need to catch up. So she contours a little bit. Oh gosh, I applied too much. You just need to blend it. Don't worry. Now she applies highlighter again, but this time on her Cupid's bow. The same color that we applied on our lid, we're going to apply it on a Cupid's bow. So she would have done it here. She would. Okay, a little bit of it here as well. Whoa, I pretty much like it. Huda, I think your signature look is gonna be my look. Very nice. I mean, a lot of highlighter. You wear huge amount of highlighter. But although I pretty much like it, and I also like how the lip came out, although it's not the same products that she was using. It looks pretty. There you go. Look at those lashes. They're fantastic. So if you like the video and you want me to do more, don't forget to subscribe, to follow me, and comment below. Share it, and I love you all. Thank you for watching. Ciao! No. Yay. It's time for more. Ciao! Ouch! Ciao! Ah!